Hi my loves! Good morning! Welcome back to another episode of my exclusive breastfeeding and pumping journey. And for today, we are going to have a little review on the milk bags that I'm currently using for creating a freezer stash. And of course, meron tayong special guest. Let's go! To start with, ito yung list of my favorite. Again, this is all opinion ha. It's called Snuggies. Although napaka-cute niya talaga. It comes in 3 different colors. Design pa siya. And it says it can hold 7 ounces. Bilis niya mapasukan ng air. Especially if nalagay mo na siya sa freezer. Medyo lumalaki siya masyado. Even though it's less than 7 ounces ang nilagay. And even yung nasa taas, yung pang-zip niya, medyo bumubuka na. So it's not, for me, it's not that safe if you're trying to make a freezer stash. I'm currently using it if nagte-travel kami, like ganito, nasa Cagayan de Oro kami. So, I'm using it as a temporary, lalagyan ko ng mga milk. Kasi hindi ako nagdadala ng bottles na marami. Next is itong sa Moby. It really comes in cute, different designs. So, this is actually a limited edition, Japan theme design ng Moby. Ayan, it holds 5 ounces of milk. What I like about this is napaka-sturdy niya, especially if you're traveling and then you're also trying to stash your milk. Yung ko lang talaga is malaki yung spout niya. Ayan no, sobrang laki ng spout niya. So, if you're doing a freezer stash, if maliit yung ref mo, medyo nakaka-consume siya ng space. And even yung width niya, ayan no, di ba, ang laki niya compared to this one, for example. Ayan no, di ba, mas malaki siya. If you have a big refrigerator, then go ahead, magandang brand na to. The next one is from Unilove. And what I like about this one is clear yung mismong milk bag niya. And that is very helpful if you're trying to get rid of the air pockets. Now, why do we need to get rid of the air pockets? Number one, it's to prevent freezer burn. So, sabi nila, if nag-freezer burn, naiiba daw yung lasa. And some babies do not tolerate the taste na nag-change due to the freezer burn. Number two, it's to prevent the loss of nutrients. So, ayaw natin mangyari yon. And number three, it's for safety na din, diba? So, as long as hindi peso kalaki yung mismong air sa loob, then that's fine. Wag masyadong OC. I like it. However, medyo mahirap tanggalin yung air pockets niya kasi medyo nagkakaroon ng resistance sa bandang edge ng milk bag na to. And ang hirap niyang i-open mga mi. Grabe, parang nasisira na yung dito, nagkakaroon na ng dents kasi sobrang hirap niyang i-open. But nevertheless, no, maganda pa rin siya kasi slim. Okay, and the next one is from Cotton Care. Ang cute din niya, no? And then it's pink. Ito ang medyo ginagamit ko recently ng malala. Kasi tingnan niyo yung size niya. Diba? Hindi siya masyadong malapad. So, if you're trying to build a stash, I would highly recommend this one kasi hindi naman masyadong nakaka-consume ng space. This one has the capacity of approximately 6.7 ounces. Pero 5 ounce lang ako max sa ganito kasi medyo napapansin ko nag-e-expand kasi ang mga milk natin or breast milk natin. So, I would highly recommend this one, mga mi. And the last one is from Mom Cozy. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko out of the milk bags that I'm currently using right now. Medyo may pagkamahalan lang siya, kaya hindi ko masyadong ginagamit. Every time that Dylan turns another month, I always use this one and nilalagyan ko ng dedication sa likod. Sinusulatan ko ng prayers, sinusulatan ko ng mga love letters for Dylan. Ayan. Paka-slim din niya. So, if you're creating a freezer stash, maganda din to. May temp sensing siya na capacity, nag-change yung color niya. Ayan. And dito na naglalagay ng mga labels. Out of the milk bag, this is my most favorite. Kasunod, of course, yung Cotton Care. So, if you're going to ask me ano ba ang mai-recommend ko, this two. Okay, kasi ito lang naman din ang naggamit ko so far, guys, no? So, this two ang pinaka mai-recommend ko. If you're looking for something cheaper, you can go with Cotton Care. If, well, all-in ka sa pumping and stashing, di ba? Go for Mom Cozy. And I hope this video helps you decide ano yung gusto nyong mga milk bag if you're doing a freezer stash right now or in the future. That's it for now, my loves. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mwah!